Now, if you're looking for a way to pair your Govee lights with the app itself, well, this one is really easy because Govee Home, or the app itself that you use to pair your lights with, is actually pretty straightforward. So first things first is you want to make sure that the app is fully updated. So go and open up Google Play Store, look for Govee Home, and install it first. Now, once you have this installed or you have this updated, you can go and just open up the app and create your account or sign in into your account. Now, once you've created or signed in into your account, this is what you should be seeing. Now, at the top right of your screen, you should see a plus button. So by default, the home section is going to be your device section, but the plus button at the top right, that's where you add your device. So you go and just press or click on it. Now from here, it's going to basically start actively looking for devices nearby. So in this case, you want to go and just make sure that you click on the authorizing Bluetooth will actively search for nearby devices for you. So you want to go and just click on it and enable Bluetooth and just follow the on-screen steps. Now typically, once you have this enabled, it should allow you to start scanning for nearby devices. Now, as long as it's within range, you should be able to find devices near your area. But once you do, or once the app does find a certain area or found a device near where you are, this is what it's going to look like. Now, you should see the add option at the right side here. So you just need to click on add and just follow the on-screen steps in order for you to add that item or that specific device into your account. Follow the on-screen steps, set a few things, but you should be good. And that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.